Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD CAD, and yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, after the FOMC meeting previous week, market became very volatile when US dollar became very strong, and currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD saw heavy selling pressure. On the other hand, currency pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF became very bullish because prior to the FOMC meeting, USD CAD or USD CHF, these currencies were trading in a narrow range. We can easily see that they were trading in a narrow range. But once dollar started dollar started getting stronger and dollar became strong, okay, market gained momentum, and just look at the bullishness of the market became extremely strong. And if we look at the dollar chart, then we can, let me show you, because dollar is still standing strong, because this is the, let me daily chart. Yeah, this is the daily chart of US dollar, and you can see that it made three massive bars previous week. Okay, three massive bars previous week, and after that yesterday it has formed a red candle. But this red candle does not signify that dollar has weakened or dollar is about to go down, because you can see that today it has formed a green candle again. So whenever we get a pattern like this, okay, do not assume that market is about to fall or dollar will fall. Okay, so in a pattern like this, there is a higher possibility that after the pullback, market will be going up. And you can see that there is a resistance here at 93.35 level. So there is a good possibility that after the pullback, dollar will be going up again. Okay, so overall, the picture of US dollar is very bullish. If US dollar is bullish, then currency pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF will also be bullish. Okay. And this is the currency strength meter. So in the currency strength meter also, you can see that among all the other currencies, okay, dollar is the strongest. Yes, dollar is standing tall. Therefore, okay, considering the condition, what I'm saying, so considering the overall strength of US dollar, we should only look for buying opportunities. And the chart is also telling us the same story. Chart also looks very bullish. Okay. And if we draw a Fibonacci level here, then you can just see that market, after hitting this particular level, when market was going down, it just reversed from the Fibonacci level. So instead of a trend reversal, okay, this is just a retracement. And generally in an uptrend market or a bullish market, market only goes for retracement. And considering the Fibonacci level also, we can consider this particular level or the present position or the present status of the market as a retracement. Okay, this is just a retracement. Oh, sorry, this was just a retracement, and right now market is trying to go up again. And you can see that stochastic RSI is also in the oversold zone. So considering all these factors, okay, considering the strength of US dollar, okay, the oversold zone of the market, okay, then Fibonacci levels, and overall chart. Okay, overall chart. So if we consider all these factors, then it seems that right now market is in a very good position to go for a buy order. Yes, right now market is in a very lucrative position to go for buy order, because all these factors are indicating that yes, US dollar will be going up right now. Therefore, if you want to go for buy order, then just remember one thing: Retail traders, we do not decide the market. Okay, it is the big players, the big boys, they drive the direction of the market. Therefore, always follow risk management. Okay, always follow risk management means do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital. Follow risk management properly and your stop loss will be below this level. Your stop loss will be below these candles. Okay, so if you want to go for a buy order right now, then follow risk management properly. Okay. So because if we consider all these factors, then it seems that market may go up right now, but there is not much volatility in the market. As we all know, market is dull. Okay, for in this week. And I have already clearly mentioned in all of my videos that market, okay, in volatility of the market always shifts from high to low. So market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So right now, though every factor is indicating that market will be going up, still there is not much movement because market is dull, volatility is less. But if you want to go for buy order right now, things are good, but follow proper risk management. Okay. Your stop loss will be below this level and do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital. Okay. And for the last time, let's check the sentiment meter once. Okay. So this is the sentiment meter USD CAD. 44% retail traders are long and 56% retail traders are short. In fact, retail traders are also confused. Unlike the Euro, USD, GBP, USD, okay, they have taken a 50-50 position here. So, anyways, this thing all is not much of importance because we all know that retail traders mostly lose money. Okay, they mostly lose money because they do not follow the trend. Okay. Anyways, okay, things look good here. So the decision is yours. If you want to buy here, then you can go for a buy order right now. And if you want to avoid trading for the next 1 or 2 days, then you can simply avoid. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All of us, take care. See you tomorrow and follow risk management. Do not compromise with the risk management. Market may go wrong anytime and your capital will be wiped out. So be careful.